Let's first recall how regular one
Red Dead Redemption Roman 2. Sea of Thieves. Gears of War 4. Lego Marvel Superheroes 2. WipEout Omega Collection. Dreams. DJMax Respect. Spelunky. Call of Duty Black Ops II. Injustice 2. Mortal Kombat X. Cuphead. Borderlands, the pre-sequel. Hidden Agenda. Keep talking and nobody explodes. Keep talking and nobody explodes. Rocket League. Gang Beasts. Gang Beasts. Don't starve together. Minecraft. Portal 2. A Way Out. Overcooked 2.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.